AR history. Instead of replacing reality, as in the case of virtual reality, augmented reality or AR adds cues onto already existing real world. And ideally, the human mind should not be able to distinguish between computer-generated stimuli and the real world. In the Middle Ages, magicians used smoke and concave mirrors to produce faint ghost and demon illusions. They did this to trick inexperienced apprentices and larger audiences. This technique was documented as early as 1770. The illusion relies on a hidden projector, known as a magic lantern, the beam of which reflects off a mirror into a cloud of smoke, which in turn scatters the beam to create an image. Even though the words and methods have evolved over the time, the main goal has stayed the same: to create illusions of things that aren't really there and to spark our imagination. 1862, John Henry Pepper brought a stage trick to the world that's known as Pepper's Ghost, and it's still used today in plays, theme parks, TV, and movies. The co-illusion involves a stage specially arranged into two rooms or areas, one into which audience members can see, and a second, sometimes referred to as blue room, that is hidden to the side. A plate of glass or plexiglass or plastic film is placed somewhere in the main room at an angle that reflects the view of the blue room towards the audience. Generally, this is arranged with the blue room to one side of the stage, and the plate on the stage rotated around its vertical axis at 45 degrees, as you can see in the image. The plate catches a reflection from a brightly lit actor in the area hidden from the audience. Not noticing the glass screen, the audience mistakenly perceived this reflection as a ghostly figure located among the actors on the main stage. The lighting of the actor in the hidden area can be gradually brightened or dimmed to make the ghost image fade in and out of visibility. In the 1980s, the concept of augmented reality is picked up by film industry. For example, in the Terminator movie, we see a very classical vision of what is augmented reality. This is a shot from a movie called RoboCop. The helmet in the image is in practice an AR headset. It gives the user, in this case a police officer, a stream of data and information to enhance their vision and understanding of what's around them. In the movie They Live, a drifter discovers a pair of sunglasses that allow him to wake up to the fact that aliens have taken over the Earth. Interestingly, though, it rather works in reverse in the case of They Live. What in fact is going on is that everyone without the glasses can see the virtual reality, and it actually takes wearing the sunglasses to be able to see what's really going on behind the computer-generated facade. In 1992, Boeing aerospace researchers Tom Cottle and David Missel coined the term augmented reality, while working on a simple see-through headset that aided airplane engineers in complex wiring schematics. According to their documentation, the goal of augmented reality was to enable cost reductions and efficiency improvements in many of the human-involved operations in aircraft manufacturing. Their work kick-started the use of augmented reality in industrial environment. Virtual reality and augmented reality share a common ancestor, the sword of Damocles, which we already discussed in the previous part. Today, we no longer need mechanical arms to suspend heavy machines from the ceiling. Handsets exponentially more powerful than the sword of Damocles from 1968 can be worn on our faces like glasses. The headsets and glasses in the slide are just a few examples of existing models, and we will spend more time discussing diverse glasses and display technologies later in the module. And of course, most people access augmented reality for the first time with devices you probably use every single day, namely your smartphones.